First of all, we have to turn off the device. We eject the SIM tray and the micro SD tray. With the help of a heat gun, we apply 90 Celsius degrees during 4 minutes. To loosen the adhesive, we use a contact cleaner or isopropyl alcohol. We remove the back cover. We release the screws from the top of the device. Very carefully, we are going to remove the middle frame. To continue with the disassembly process, first of all, we have to remove the battery flex. Now we remove the screen connector.
Muy bien.
We remove 2 screws. We have finished the disassembly process. Now we return with the assembly process. Lift gently the device motherboard. With the help of a heat gun, we apply 90 Celsius degrees during 4 minutes. In the description, I leave you the links of the tools and spare parts that we use. If you liked the video, don't forget the like. Thank you. We release the vibration motor, which is attached to the middle frame of the screen.